Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my August Planner Kate sticker haul. So this first part is going to be from Planner Kate's anniversary sale, which was held at the end of July. And I only picked up a few sheets. I had a few mini kits in mind that I wanted to get the third sheet from, and a couple other random sheets that I wanted to add to my collection. So first things first, Planner Kate always gives the best freebies. So you get a card with Planner Kate, and then you also get a Planner Kate name sticker. And then I got 5 different freebies with my order. So this one is new to me. This one is, I think, the Dorky Doodle collab. And it's got like laundry, water plants, garbage day, wash bedding, you know, like all chores. Then I got some scallop labels, some heart checklists, bar checklists, and then the Dorky Doodle collab with the book quotes. And then I also received the corrected cover-ups for my September monthly. I ordered my September monthly back in June and then asked Kate to send the corrected cover-ups in this order, and she did. And I'm just really excited to plan my September monthly now. I love these colors, the red and the like Granny Smith green, and then the black. It just screams fall to me. So I'm gonna go through the sheets that are not kits first. So this first sheet is called oval stickers, oval stitch stickers, I think, something like that. So they've got the stitch background, and they are obviously oval shaped. But this was a fairly new release that she just recently had, and I just liked the idea of incorporating like a different design in like the same colors as the kits. So I got this sheet. And then I've also been using my iPad a lot lately and my Kindle to read, and I find that I don't remember to charge it. So I did get a sheet of the device stickers. So I think it's supposed to look like an iPad, but truly it can be whatever. So hopefully this will remind me to charge my devices. So those are the only 2 sheets I got that were not part of kits. So the first thing that I purchased, I love full boxes. They are my favorite part about any Planner Kate anything. And so I was really, really excited that she is now doing full boxes for her mini kits, because that just completes me. So I picked up, this is mini kit 44C, and this is the succulents kit. So I picked up the full boxes for this, and then you will be seeing a plan with me with this very soon. Or actually, this will already be up, so I will link it in a card. So I'm just so excited to use this so much. I love the blues and the pops of pink. Oh my goodness, that just screams summer to me. And then I also picked up this one, which is the Mini Kit 36. This is the mermaid kit, and this also screams summer. I just love what looks like Ariel. Love it. So I picked this up because I already have the other 2 sheets that were in the mini kit. So, and then I chose 2 mini kits that are new to me. So this is mini kit 1, and this is, I think, buffalo plaid. So I purchased the sampler sheet 1st. And I just love this screams winter. I mean, the reason I picked this up was because I wanted to kind of start stocking up on kits for January. So this is the first sheet, the sampler sheet, and then I also picked up the full boxes, and I just, thank goodness, love the plaid so much. And then the last kit that I picked up is this kit, and this is mini kit 6, and this is Winter Floral, and it's got the burgundy and the red and this beautiful like blue color. So this is the personal sampler sheet, and then here are the full boxes. And I mean, like, can we just take a minute to like look at those florals? Like, oh, Planner Kate does florals awesomely. So I'm planning on using both of these kits sometime in January. I just, it just made sense to me to, there was a sale. I didn't really have much that I wanted to buy, so I stocked up on some kits that I know I will use later. And then I purchased one more thing. I purchased a freebie sampler grab bag. And it's been a while since I've purchased one of these, only because I have a lot of them, and I just kind of purchased one on a whim. I just was like, why not? Let's just do it. So I have the colored double dots, I think they're the 3-box checklist, and with the watermark, not entirely sure what those are called in her shop. But I got some hydrate stickers. I got some appointment labels with the asterisk. I got the months. I got another book freebie, which I love the book freebies. I read a lot of books, so these are just really nice. I also got some some square checklists. I got some flag appointment labels, which these are new to me. I'm kind of excited to use these. I got some more scallop labels, which I do use scallop labels a lot. And then I got some dots, and these are the Erin Condren colored dots. Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my Planner Kate haul for the month of August. So I received my October kits in the mail, and so I'm going to go through what I bought for the month of October. So in this order, of course, you get your Planner Kate name sticker and your Planner Kate business card. And then the freebies that I got, and I'm very excited about these because I have a couple that are new to me. So the first one that I have are the months of the year in what I call like the bouncy font. This is not new to me. I also got the coffee sampler, which I love having these because it's super simple to just pack in my bag and have it on the go. This is also not new to me, but I'm very excited to get both of these. Then I got some more checklists, which I have been loving using checklists similar to this in my personal planner, which is now my YouTube planner. I will leave that video linked in an iCard up above, just in case you want to check out my how I store or my walkthrough of my personal planner. And then also I have a video of how I store my Planner Kate stickers, which I will also throw up in another iCard, just so that you can see how I store my freebies and all of my other sticker sheets. So here are the two that I am most excited about for my freebies because I have not seen these yet. So I got this one, which says me time, planner time, coffee time, sticker time, wine time, girl time, and nap time, which I have been loving the nap times lately. Love this sheet, and I'm excited to try some of these out to see if I actually want to buy the full sheets of these words. And then I got this cute, adorable pencil freebie, and I don't know what I'm going to use these for exactly. I do watch Kristen, I think her name is Kristen Plans. She works for Scribble Prints Co., and she uses the pencils in her weekly to denote when she has to pay daycare. And I thought that was very interesting and something I might start doing as well. Okay, so now on to my actual order. So the first thing I got was my October monthly kit, and I went with this one. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is it's called Harvest Flowers, and it's kit 90. And this is sheet F, which is the Erin Condren monthly number 1. And I just thought I love like the flowers and the red and the orange and the yellow and the green. I'm so in love with this kit. So here's sheet number 1, or the Erin Condren sheet 1. And then this is the Erin Condren sheet number 2. So this is the same monthly kit. And this is sheet G. And this has the days not in the month, all of your appointment labels, your sidebar, and some more washi. So here's my monthly kit for October. And then in this kit as well, I did get the weekly kit. So I got the full boxes, which I'm just so in love with this kit. And I love this side washi as well. So here are the full box and the half box sheet. And then I also got the hourly personal sheet because I just love having more labels. So there's that. And then also for this kit, I got some add-ons, which I don't normally get add-ons. I just feel like I have enough in my like leftover kits from previous month or previous weeks that I can pull from that I don't need add-ons. But I did get so this is letter Y, so kit Y, or kit 90Y, and so this is the mini icons, or the itty bitty icon sheet, and I loved the colors of this, and I'm going to use this in my personal planner. And the reason that I bought this color is because all of the other mini icons that I have are not fall colors. And so this I'll be able to use in my personal planner for September, October, or sorry, not September. I already have September sort of planned. So October, November, and then some of December because it's got the greens and the reds. So I'm really excited to use this. And then I have been using a lot of skinny appointment labels in my personal planner as well. So I did get the add-on sheet of the skinny appointment labels, and this is sheet U. And I just thought that these colors were just amazing, and I needed to get them. So those are the 2 add-ons I got. So my other kits for October, I'm going to start with, I'm going to get my other kit that I purchased that is a weekly kit. So this is kit number 91, and this is called Pumpkin Picking, which I thought was just super cute, and we will end up going to probably the Apple Orchard pumpkin place probably sometime in October. And I just loved how she brought in the navy in addition to the orange, so, and this like pop of light green. Love it. And then here, so this is the full box, half box sheet, and then this is the hourly personal sampler. And my favorite part about this is the washi. I just love how she's got the pumpkins for the washi. So That's my second kit that I got. And then my other 3 kits, because October is 5 weeks this year, are all, yes, they're all mini kits. So this first one is mini kit 56. This is called Halloween. And here's the full box header sheet. And the reason that I got this was specifically because of the cat. Like, I can't not get it because of the cats. And I just loved this washi with the cats and the bats. So here's that. And the blue is also very interesting because it lightens it up versus like a normal like fall kit, which is all very dark colors. So I loved that. So this is the full box header sheet. And then this is the hourly personal sampler. And I just loved the pop of, you know, the bright blue, which you wouldn't normally get in a Halloween kit. I just thought that was very fun and light and super awesome. So that is my first mini kit. Then my second mini kit, which I think I'm going to be using this kit specifically for Halloween, is called Happy Halloween. And this is mini kit 63. And I just loved the purple. I love purple. Purple and orange, and it's just so spooky with the ghosts and the haunted house. Just loved it. And so then here is the hourly sampler sheet for mini kit 63. And then the last kit that I got is very fall themed. There's really no Halloween aspect of it at all. And this is called Fall Floral, and this is kit or mini kit 62. And I just thought that this was perfect because Halloween straddles the week from October to November. So I'll probably end up using this at the beginning, like more in the middle of October, or the transition week from September to October. But I just loved how it has the navy and the coral and the more limey green, and it just seems super fall to me. I loved the washi. So this was the full box header sheet, and here is the hourly personal sampler sheet. And again, love the washi. It's almost got a retro vibe with the green in there. Goodness, I just love these kits, and I cannot wait to use them. Seriously, cannot wait. So that was my Planner Kate haul for the month of October. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I tend to do haul videos once a month, so be on the lookout for my November kits in my September haul. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye.